In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and review the product information for your Office software. Whether you've recently purchased a new Office product and want to ensure everything is set up correctly, or you just need to check some details, this video will walk you through the process. First, we're going to start by opening your Office application. This could be any program within the Office suite, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, whichever you have available and prefer to use. Once you've opened your chosen application, look towards the top of the screen for the File tab. It's typically located on the upper left-hand corner of the ribbon, which is that neat toolbar with all those familiar icons and options. Clicking on the File tab will open a new menu panel with various options. Next, let's head down the menu list and locate the Account option. This might require a little scrolling, depending on the size of your window and the number of options available in your menu. The Account tab is where we can find most of the administrative details relevant to your Office products, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked on the account setting, look over towards the right side of this panel. This section, labeled Product Information, is what we're particularly interested in today. Here you should see all sorts of useful information about your Office product. It typically includes details like the version of Office you're using and the specifics about your subscription or license, such as whether it's a personal, business, or educational license. This information can be incredibly handy, especially if you need to troubleshoot any issues or confirm the product features available to you. You might also find information about updates and other account-related options and details here, which can further help you manage your software efficiently. It's important to note that the layout might vary slightly depending on your version of Office, whether it's Office 2010, Office 365, or Office 21, among others. If you encounter any difficulties finding what you need, it may be worth doing a quick update of your application, as interfaces can change with updates, and sometimes these details can be adjusted for improved user experience. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily access detailed information about your Office product right within the application. Understanding your software's specific details will empower you to utilize its full potential and resolve any challenges that may arise. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content about Office products and other tech tips.